कुछ कमी हो सकती है।
Meghalaya Minister in charge of power, Abu Tahir Mondal, on Thursday said that the imminent threat of floods in the plain belt areas of Garo Hills is very grim considering the flood situation in Assam. Early Thursday morning, the minister held a meeting with the authorities and was informed that the water level is below the danger mark, but the manner in which the water is rising may cross the danger mark. He informed that he has directed concerned deputy commissioners and BDOs to take necessary steps and extend a possible help.
But this year it seems there will be some problem as far as flood is concerned. The way water is rising, it may cross the danger mark, but we alerted the district administration, the BDO concerned, to look into all the things and extend all possible help.